Hatter, and welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill. Got my grandbaby, little May, right here. She's being quite active. Hey. Hey. She'll be 2 weeks tomorrow. She's just a little thing. She got some power in her arm, though. Hold my finger right there. Hey. You want to arm wrestle? Go. No, the other way. Oh, yeah, you're my best partner. But this ain't a team sport. Yeah, you gotta push the other way. Push the other way. What's that? You got a little feet? You got a little feet? Uh-oh. You ticklish? Uh-oh. Ooh, look at that big old sneeze. Bless you. What kind of face is that? Oh, you didn't like the sneeze? That was a good one, though. Oh, that's a big yawn, too, huh? Ooh, you feel all the better. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't.